What if you could get the charm of a century-old Lake Forest estate with a roof that laughs at hail, fire, and rot? Chicago's elite suburbs are home to stunning architectural styles: Tudor, French chateau, colonial revival. But under those picturesque roofs, damage, decay, and endless repairs from brutal Midwest winters and storms. In this video, we're diving into why DaVinci Roofscapes has become the go-to choice for Chicago's most discerning homeowners. Not just for looks, but for legacy. We'll compare it to natural slate and cedar, explore its Midwest-tested engineering, and hear from homeowners who've made the switch. Chicago's climate doesn't play nice. Snow loads, ice dams, UV rays, and punishing hail eat away at traditional materials. Cedar rots, slate cracks, asphalt fades. But DaVinci, it's different. Made from advanced polymer resins, DaVinci tiles are crafted using real molds from natural slate and cedar shake. The result? A roof that's nearly indistinguishable from the real thing, but built to outlast it. It's not just about beauty, it's about performance. DaVinci tiles carry a Class 4 impact rating, resist 110+ mph winds, and laugh at the Midwest's freeze-thaw cycle. And unlike wood, they don't absorb water or attract mold. Take the Kenilworth family who restored their 1920s mansion. They wanted to preserve its original slate charm, but avoid constant patchwork and skyrocketing insurance. Their solution? DaVinci multi-width slate. Aesthetics? Check. Durability? Unmatched. And maintenance? Practically none. No staining, no curling, no cracked tiles in January. Just timeless elegance that holds up for 50 years or more. For homeowners investing in legacy homes, curb appeal isn't cosmetic, it's currency. And DaVinci delivers ROI through longevity, peace of mind, and serious street presence. Now, it's not without cost. DaVinci roofs come at a premium, comparable to real slate or cedar up front. But when you factor in repairs, replacements, and weather risks, the long-term savings make it a no-brainer. Of course, some purists still argue for natural only. But ask any Chicago homeowner who's watched their cedar roof rot in 5 years. Authenticity isn't just about material, it's about how it performs year after year. So, can a synthetic roof truly replace the classics? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you lean natural? Or are you Team DaVinci? If you found this deep dive helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more stories on smart luxury living in the Midwest. And if you like this, check out our video on the top 5 luxury exterior upgrades that add real value in 2025. You won't want to miss it. Proudly brought to you by Stan's Roofing and Siding, Chicago's oldest DaVinci installer since 1967. Click the QR code for more information or visit our site to schedule a personalized consultation.